We've had to put in a significant amount of work to be able to respond to the natural disasters of 2021, in particular looking at how we can transform the network to what it needs to be in the future in response to those challenges that we've seen. In 2021, Western Power's been using new technology such as standalone power systems where we can supply customers with an alternative to our traditional solution of poles and wires. Our standalone power systems, they comprise of solar panels, a battery energy storage system and a backup diesel generator. And each of our customers that are able to get one of those systems, they get that whole piece of kit on their land, and that provides them with a really safe and quality electricity supply.
Seroja demonstrated for us the resilience of being able to use this new technology. So when the lines came down and we had our teams up there and we had hundreds and hundreds of our employees going out there and looking at the disaster, our team mobilised very quickly to look at how that we could redeploy the units that we had in the pipeline for our Round 2 project into these disaster areas. So we went through and identified 37 customers that would be suitable for the project, and then we started redeploying these units. We went and visited the customers to understand how they were using their power, would it be suitable, did they have enough land that would be suitable for the units, and we did a cost of benefit analysis to prove that this is the right technology at the right time for these customers. It's been quite an experience for these customers having to go through the trauma of an event, and it's probably the biggest event we've ever seen at Western Power, and then going into this new technology where they're going to hopefully have 100% reliable power is really exciting. I would genuinely say hand on heart that these systems are the most resilient thing that we've got in the network, particularly in the regional areas. So we had 6 units that were up in Mullewa during the cyclone that retained power, and they're the only customers that retained power during the event. So the units we've already got out there on the ground, we know will perform really well under similar types of events.
Look, I guess for Western Power, we do a lot of our best work in a crisis. And one of the things that we saw was the way that the organisation banded together to be able to bring back power to the communities that were affected by the cyclone, but alongside that, how we bring in innovation and new thinking to be able to deliver better energy solutions to our customers.